Let's look at question number 7. Miss Jaffe had a total of 428 and 5/10 ounces of pretzels to put into 5 bowls for a party. She put an equal number of ounces of pretzels into each bowl. How many ounces of pretzels did Miss Jaffe put into each bowl? Okay, so our author's purpose, what was the reason for writing this story? The reason to write it was to find out how many ounces of pretzels uh, there we go in into 5 bowls. Okay, my context clues or my facts. Starting off, I have a total of 428 and 5/10 ounces. I need to separate or divide into 5 bowls. Okay, what operation? It's already there. Division. Guys, I saw quite a few of you when you were taking the unit assessment and then the spiral that you were coming up to me asking questions and you hadn't even written down or underlined important information or wrote your facts. It was a blank. It was looked like just like this. I don't understand this one. Well, no, you won't understand it until you start writing your facts down. You need to know, why did the author write this question? What is it the author wanting you to solve? And then you have to write down all your clues or your facts, what's given, and then you'll know what your operation will be, and that's division. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on a separate sheet of paper. I'm starting off with a total. Remember, yikes, we said that when you're given the total, you're going to do one of 2 operations: divide or subtract. Remember, division is the same thing as repeated subtraction. So I have 428 and 5/10 ounces, and I'm going to separate those into 5 bowls. When we're dividing with decimals, this is a reminder that you bring your decimal up, and now I'm done. I don't have to worry about it anymore. Now I'm going to find out how many groups of 5 can go into 4, and it's 0. But how many groups of 5 go into 42? Guys, if you need to, you're just writing out 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 times 5 equals 25, 5 times 6 equals 30. Now I can see I'm getting closer, not quite there yet, so I can keep going. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. Oops, I'm there. Remember, I can't go over. If I did 5 times 9, that equals 45. That's way too big, so it's going to be 8 groups. Put my multiplication. Now I know that 8 times 5 equals 40. Subtract out. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. I know that my difference is less than my divisor, so I'm good to go, and I can now bring this down. So I'm bringing down my 8. Okay, I'm looking over here. I cannot go over 28, so my closest is going to be 5 groups of 5. So I know that that's 25, and I've already done the work for myself over here. So this is 25. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. I am done. My difference is less than my divisor, so now I can bring down the next number. I'm looking over here at my quick check roster, and I see that 7 groups of 5 goes into 35. 7 times 5 equals 35. And then it's 0. So each bowl is going to receive 85 and 7 ounces. And what I should have done, because I'm doing it separately, I could have used my answer choices as I'm going through. So here I know that I'm starting with an 8, and I had that, so I can get rid of this. Then I had a 5. Well, I can get rid of the next one, and then I ended up with a 7. So I know that the answer here is A. All right, there you go with this one right here. So this is the work. This is what you should be writing down on all your story problems. Excuse me. And then this is the work to support your facts and details. So did we answer our question? Yes, we did. There's going to be 85 and 7/10 ounces of pretzels in each